On October 12, 2020, there was a massive power outage in Maharashtra. Mumbai's lifeline, the suburban rail system, came to a standstill. Hospitals were without power. The Mumbai Stock Exchange had no power. After a detailed probe, Maharashtra Energy Minister Nitin Raut insists the outage was a Chinese cyber attack. The New York Times, quoting a US-based cybersecurity and intelligence firm, Recorded Future had claimed that the October 12 grid failure was due to the Chinese malware. As Indian and Chinese troops faced off on the icy cold peaks of eastern Ladakh, the US firm claimed that there was sustained targeting of Indian public sector undertakings, Ministry of Defense and Power Grid by Chinese state-backed group of hackers called Red Echo. Recorded Future claims it immediately informed both the US and Indian governments about the cyber attacks and helped government not only identify loopholes in the system but also to plug the gaps. The government, however, insists attempts were made by the Chinese hackers to deploy malware, but they did not succeed. The BJP in Maharashtra not only questioned the revelation, but also the timing of the revelation by the Maharashtra Energy Minister.
We are putting a question straight to the minister. Number one, what are the evidence by which you have come to this conclusion? What are the substantial documents or information the state government has? We want to know the same.
Analysts say at the height of India-China standoff, with Indian Army putting China on the back foot with quid pro quo operations on the southern bank of Pangong Tso, the Chinese launched multiple malware deployment operations not only in Maharashtra but also in Shillong, Telangana and New Delhi with no or limited success. Sources, however, warn the Chinese hacking attempts at seaports, power grid and elsewhere could only intensify in the times to come.
Maharashtra government says that it'll need some time to go over the 100-page report and decide its next course of action depending on what the recommendations have been in that report.